Today we're here at the West Side Market, a longtime Cleveland favorite, looking at the first phase of a nearly $70 million renovation. This phase looks at the Produce Arcade, now renamed the KeyBank Produce Arcade. The newly revamped KeyBank Produce Arcade opened on January 9th, bringing a brighter, more welcoming space to shoppers and vendors. As the West Side Market celebrates 114 years, this arcade marks the first step in a renovation project, aimed at modernizing the market, bringing fresh energy and improved spaces. Vendors say the open layout has already transformed the way they do business. With more space to interact with customers, many are seeing an increase in engagement and sales.
We moved from a really small space to this really big space, and it's been amazing with the amount of customers we've been able to serve. We've been able to help a lot more people, and it's just been easier for the flow of traffic, and everyone's just really happy about it.
We've been in the business 35 years. I'm glad they do it now, and in our turn. It's wonderful. Heat, the customer, they're so happy.
Shoppers are noticing the difference too. The open design makes it easier to browse, while improved lighting and winter-friendly layouts make the market feel warmer, literally, and more inviting.
The new renovations are wonderful. It's enclosed now, it's wide open space, much easier to navigate, much easier to engage with the vendors, and gives them an opportunity to take even better care of us.
It's super modern, super up to date. It's just overall been amazing. It's been an amazing experience.
It's now easier than ever to explore, interact, and shop in the market. Reporting from the West Side Market in Cleveland, I'm Raegan Ochall.